Well, back sheltering behind the monument, right here, and those few minutes of pretty extreme wind caused some quite strange things to happen up here, as in the grass getting peeled back around the monument because the wind was blowing so hard, which I guess saves on garden maintenance. You don't need to trim the edges because they disappear. But it's a beautiful sunny day. It's a wee bit breezy up at the Kitchener Monument. He died in 1916 off this coast. I believe he was torpedoed by a German submarine. Ah, now that's a pretty sight. Can't really see it, but the sun rays is the old man boy. There's a lot of white water down there. The sea's getting whipped up pretty good today. Anyway, another beautiful day in the Orkneys.